Hey everyone, and welcome back to Electroonics. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting product for all the adventurers out there, the Garmin eTrex 22x handheld GPS navigator. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or just exploring new terrain, this device promises to be your perfect outdoor companion. Let's take a closer look at what makes this GPS navigator stand out. The Garmin eTrex 22x is built to explore, boasting a rugged design with a 2.2-inch sunlight-treatable color display. It comes preloaded with TopoActive maps, showcasing routable roads and trails. This feature is ideal for anyone looking to go off the beaten path while knowing their surroundings. The maps even include details like waterways, buildings, and international boundaries. Thousands of points of interest such as restaurants, car parks, and shops are ready to guide you through your adventures. What sets the eTrex 22x apart is its dual satellite support. It uses both GPS and GLONASS systems, meaning it tracks your location even in challenging environments where GPS alone might struggle. This makes it perfect for hikers and explorers who venture into dense forests or rugged terrains. The device also supports paperless geocaching, allowing you to upload GPX files from Geocaching.com. All your essential geocaching details are right at your fingertips. Expanding your mapping capabilities is simple with the eTrex 22x. It has 8 GB of internal memory, plus a microSD card slot for easy downloads of additional maps. You can even integrate satellite imagery with the optional BirdsEye Satellite Imagery subscription. This feature enhances the detail and usability of your navigation, making sure you never miss a landmark or trail feature on your journey. With versatile mounting options, the eTrex 22x is designed for any adventure. Whether you mount it on your ATV, bicycle, or carry it by hand, it offers unmatched flexibility. The device can even provide turn-by-turn directions with City Navigator and T-Maps when used in a vehicle. With up to 25 hours of battery life on just 2A batteries, you'll have peace of mind for long expeditions. So, wherever your adventure takes you, the eTrex 22x has the power and durability to guide you. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful and want to explore further with the Garmin eTrex 22x, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor adventure tips. Leave a comment below and let us know where you take this GPS navigator. Until next time, keep exploring and stay safe out there.
This is the Garmin eTrex 22x. This little GPS device is pretty cool. Your power button being here on the side, your back button, your actually zoom in, zoom out button, and your menu button. And this here is your toggle between everything you got going on. So you got map, where to, compass, waypoint. I'll just scroll down so I don't have to read all of them to you. And it's actually pretty cool. Whenever you turn this thing on, it goes ahead and connects to the satellites, and it goes ahead and runs the date to everything in the calendar, the sun and moon. And actually, this is pretty cool too. You click on this little hunt and fish section. It actually tells you for the day it is, what the hunting times are and the good fishing times, which is actually really cool. But let's go back up to the map, and I can show y'all the main thing here. Click on map, and then boom. For us currently, we are right here in Florida, and it tells you their longitude and latitude. And as we zoom out here, actually I just zoomed in right there. As we zoom out, it has all of your maps and everything logged in, all your main roads, and anywhere you put your little arrow right here, where you move your little dot right here, it tells you the longitude and latitude to everything. But yeah, everything you need to know while I guess you could say hunting, fishing, trail walking, or anything, or heck, even just a standard GPS unit to keep it and do maps. This thing can handle it all. It takes 2 AA batteries, and this thing is pretty snazzy. So if you want a awesome GPS device that is battery powered and portable, for a good price, the eTrex 22x is honestly my favorite.